Hi guys, that's my Instagram profile. So you can see here all the countries where I have been to: Amsterdam, Ethiopia, Seychelles, Scotland, Thailand, Vietnam, Bali, and there's another plus ka sign, which means I still need to explore much more. And that's what my advice is today to all the MBAs, fellow MBAs who are doing their MBA, done their MBA, trying to do their MBA. That travel as much as you can. Hi guys, traveling is a very integral part of MBA. So once you're an MBA, you have to travel to work, to travel to various places, meeting, client meeting and all, because our role is not a back-end role. You don't need to sit in the office and do the work. You have to meet the client. You have to convince them, marketing, even finance, HR, consulting, everybody have to travel. So I have been to almost I've been to 23 countries, though the target is to cover 50 countries. And on my Instagram, I've given the photos of everyone. And my biggest regret, one of the biggest regret of my life is I've not traveled much. Yes, I was based in London for 2.5 years. Iceland, Greenland, Norway, Sweden, all the countries were 1 hour away. Not even like 2 hours Delhi, Bombay, it's 1 hour away. And I couldn't go there. Yeah, because I was busy with my work, nahi kaun jayega, this and that. So my advice to everyone, every fellow MBA, this is, I am now kind of motivating my friends, those who are to travel work. Yaar, tu jab ja raha hai, if you're going to Delhi, why can't you visit Red Fort? Why can't you start visiting the places around that? Because this is very, very important part of your MBA. That see, travel at times is boring. यार तुम अकेले जा रहे हो, very sad things, वहाँ जा client meeting, this and that, suit and tie. All you need to do is carry a shorts, pajama or a t-shirt and a t-shirt, and a t-shirt with you, so that you can travel. So that's my one of the biggest advice to all the MBAs, that keep travel in mind. That's why I bought this GoPro 9. So now this is going to be my partner in crime. So whenever I go to travel, I'm going to make a vlog also, and do record your videos, do take your photos. Because if I give my example, my complete Amsterdam का trip, I've not taken more than 10 pics. तुम्हें नहीं पता यार कब तुम्हें वो पिक्स अपने फ्रेंड्स को दिखाना, इंस्टाग्राम पे डालना पड़ जाए क्या चाहते हो. So try to live all these things, try to take photos, all these things. That's why I bought this thing for myself. So that's my main advice, do travel. If you're going for a, let's say 2 days का trip, work 2 days, take a 1 day more off, or come back home or take a night flight. Normally the meetings happen around morning time, yeah. दोपहर का meeting, 4 बजे you get free. Rush to Humayun's tomb. I'm giving example of दिल्ली का example. Humayun's tomb. ठीक है यार, बहुत places है यार दिल्ली में. There are many places in Delhi, in Mumbai, which you can explore. Start exploring. So to continue my exploration is going to be my GoPro 9. So let's do the unboxing of this GoPro 9. Alright, so that's my GoPro 9, Hero 9. So let's do the unboxing. मैं तो भैया चाकू लेके बैठता हूँ यार, कभी कभी खुलते नहीं डब्बे मेरे से. तो yeah, that's an easy one. This is okay. That's a very easy one to open. Nice, it's an easy seal. Let's just open this up. Alright, so yeah, so finally we are able to open it. This comes with a very nice box. So this is a good sign here that they're giving us a very nice zipped up box for GoPro. Nice, so good. Alright, so once we open up this thing, and sad part is this only come accessories, everything you have to buy separately. That's the main problem. So yeah, that's my camera with cable, so attachment cable, charging cable, and this battery and all the connectors. Alright, so this is the main thing here. So it's waterproof up to 10 meters. So I can go do waterfalls. I can't do scuba diving with this, but yeah, for that I need a separate attachment. For everything I need an attachment. So they have become like Apple, कि even charger भी नहीं साथ में देंगे. Charger also need to buy. So these are the hooks which you need to connect your stand with, and we are ready to shoot. So let's see how much I'm going to explore this. So I was not going to buy this thing because I don't know whether I'm going to use it or not. आजकल phone हाथ में है, but the kind of adventure activities I'm planning to do, I think I need. So let's go and explore. So that's my biggest advice. Travel and enjoy your travel. Travel तो करना ही होगा, enjoy करो. All the best.